welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to talk about how to design um, buttons in your sketchware. Like there are some of the application that I have here, such like this Haba Care. You can see how I designed this button. You can see some of this Haba button, the way it appear, all this kind of a thing. You can see it. So or like this one, you see how I designed it, like all these button with corner radius, all this one of a thing. So that's what we're going to talk about. So let's go. First thing you need to do is just to go straight to your sketchware. Okay, open your sketchware. Now here we're going to enter the name of our app. Let's say how to put button in sketchware. Great. Now here we first of all put your linear V, because we are not going to make it scrollable. You match it parents, come to this place and make it 0. Now the next thing you need to do is just to scroll down this linear H down here, down as many as you want, as much as you want, as many as you want. So this particular side, now we're going to design a long corner radius. You understand? So as it is like this now, what are we going to do? You first of all check the names of this. This one is linear. You can check, you can see this here. This is linear 2. Always try to watch here. This is linear 2, linear 3, linear 4, linear 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now what are we going to do the next is we're going to load our button inside this. Let's put button here, put another button here, put another button here. Now we're going to make this one the gravity center horizontal, center vertical. We can see it. Maybe we'll increase the length, I mean the width of this to, let's say, 100, and let's make this one 100, and also this last one 100. So as you can see, if you look at this place now, you notice that you notice that something like here now there is much space here, and same thing here. Then looking at the center, you notice that there is not much space. So for you to give that space there, what you want to do is to go straight to your margins. This is your margins. Click on it. You make sure you select the particular button you want to change the margins. Now let's say you click here. You now go straight to click this all, uncheck this all, then you go to left side and give it 20. No, let's use 10. Give it 10. Then you come to this side. Okay, let's use all. Let's use 10 here. You see? We see it. At least there is enough chance now for us to do what we are doing. Now the next thing that we really want to do is just to change the names of these buttons. Just like say, let's name this share button. button. Okay, let's say share. Now this is more up, and let's say this is rate us. Now we would also like to change the text size. If you want to change it, you can just change it. Let's make use of 18dp, and this side 18dp. Let's try and do something all over again. Okay, so now let's check this text style to bold, so that it's gonna be bold and north. Bold. Check this, bold. Yeah. So the next thing we do now is to give it the code we're talking about. Now go straight to your event. Go straight to event. That's where we're going to do the major work. On create, you come here, you click on view, then you go straight to your you use this block, set corner radius, stroke, show color by background color. So how many, one thing you need to check is how many distance we have here. We have 1, 2 and 3 buttons. This is button 1, button 2 and button 3. Now let's go back there. Since you have 3 buttons there, we need to drag and drop this 3 times. Now you go to variables. You now look at the first one is button 1. You carry it here, put it here. That's button 1. Then look at button 2, put it here. Now you carry button 3, put it here. Now here is where you're going to set your corner, the corner radius of those buttons. Now here we're going to make use of 10. Use 10 all over. 10. Now I'm coming to this side of stroke. How do you want this stroke to be? Let's make use of 1. Let's use 1. Or possibly 2. Let's make use of 2. But I prefer making use of 1. I like using 1, especially when I'm working on app that I'm publishing for on Play Store. So here you're going to check the color of the stroke. You click at this color. Maybe let's make use of green. Maybe we'll use green. Well, use green. You do something here. Now coming to this background color. That background color, that is the color that the button will have. Okay, let's say we use black. Let's use black. Okay, black. Okay, it's nice. Now the next thing is let's also check the background color for this one. Wait, go back to the view. The background here, this particular one, this linear 2. Let's change the background. Or you can still change the background here. Like when you click at it like this, you see this particular place will pop up. You click at background and then change it there. You can change it somewhere here. Anything, anywhere, and select this as the background. Now It's time we run our app. Let's see how it look like. The app is running. I'm going to check to see how the app looks like. Mind you, we just configure the first three buttons. After this, now we're still going to check the other ones. You see it? You can see the buttons here. You can see the buttons. Now let's go back there, and there is something we're supposed to do. Like this, the middle button is bigger than others. So let's go back and know why it happened like that. Now here now we have the this as 10. All both sides are 10. Coming to this side, margins. Here we have left only 10. Okay. Let's use 10 also, and also use 10 here. Use 10 here. Okay, now we are good to go. Now the background of this is this. Then let's change the text color. It's either use here, or you can still use the block to change the text color. Text color to, let's use green. Text color to also green. Color here green. This color here, let's check it green also. Now let's run the app again to see our work. All right, let's install it again. Open it. You can see it. See, it's very nice. It's very nice. Hope you like it. Now you can still make the button, you can still increase the radius of the button if you want. Like, let's go back. The radius of the button. You go to on create and then make the radius 15. Let's say 15, 15, 15, 15. Now let's save, run it. Install. Open it. You see that the radius also increased. You see that the radius increased very, very well. So now now let's go back and also do the remaining one. Now let's go to component, no, view, sorry, view, and also drag and drop this, drop again, drop again, drop again, drop again. How many do we have there? We have about, let's go and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now what do? We go back to that event on create. You go to variable. Now we have linear 1, but we started counting from linear 2, which is carry linear 2 here. This is linear 3, linear 4, linear 5, linear 6, and let's still remaining 1. Still remaining 1. go back to variable linear 6. This is linear 7. Okay, let's use this first. Now at the corner radius, we are going to make use of 25 this time around. 25, 25, 25, 25, change it to 25. Now the stroke should be, let's say, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now we set the color to this green, 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 green. Now you also set the color by color, that is the background of the stuff. The background, let's say it's black. Yeah, last one. All right, now let's run our app. Let's see how it's going to be. You can see this. You can see this. You can still make it bolder than this. Let's make it bolder. The height, let's say height is 50. Alright, 150. Let's make it 150. No, this is too big. One ten. 110. 110. 110. Height 110. Okay, let's run it like this. You see it? You see how the app looks like? You see how it looks like? Now to change the, if you look at this place, you notice that there are small white at this corner. Now for you to change all these things, for you to change them, you go back. Sorry. Yeah. You select linear 1. That is the first one that we added. We then change the background. Change the background to black. This is black. Run it. Have you seen it? Our app look very neat and great. Look very neat and great. Now for you to change this color, everything is now green, so you need to make your app look very great by designing it with that same green everywhere. Now for you to do that, you go back to sketchware, you save your work, now go back, save and exit, then locate that particular app, how to put, then click on on settings, click on settings, click that same advanced setting, then click this place and make it green. Mhm. Make it green, make it green, still make it green, save, go back, run your app. Open it, boom. You see how our app changed? Everything look very neat and great. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. Please, if you like this our video, just do it to subscribe, because next time I'm going to be teaching you how to put sidebar. You know what I mean by sidebar? See it here. Let me show you. Like this app that I designed, this app, I'm going to show you something. Okay, let's turn on network. This app here, this is what I'm talking about. You see, when I click here, once you click here, it's going to open. You know what I mean by sidebar? This is it at the corner. So that next time I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put this in your sketchware app. So thank you for today, and may God bless you. Just do it to subscribe. Thank you.